Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? So as you can see, we're here at the YotaMafia headquarters, and the shop as well. This is actually their building. That's Brilliant's ore landing trailer back there. If you guys been following YotaMafia on Instagram, on social media platforms, he's been recently traveling with that trailer. He went to Utah, Moab, and all that stuff. Those are the other rigs that they've been working on. I believe that one particularly is actually for U.S. government. They got a contract with the U.S. Army and I believe Marine Corps as well. And here are other rigs that they have here. And this is mine right here. So the reason I'm here today is because if you guys been following my Tacoma videos, probably 3 years now ago, I actually had this setup installed on my Tacoma. This is a lift kit, Old Man EMO, Australian brand, and I also had these SPC upper control arms installed. And in my last visit here to YotaMafia, the guys inspected my truck and they said my upper control arm ball joints are actually looking a little funny, and they wanted to actually trigger the warranty on this and try to get them replaced. And just yesterday I was told that I can bring my truck by, and they got the replacement parts, so they're going to be actually working on my upper control arm today. And they also, Brilliant also said he's a great guy. I can't recommend these guys enough for you guys. He also said that he's going to replace my extended brake control lines actually on my front, because they are looking a little kind of worn out, if you will. Although these extended brake lines actually on the front, actually they've been installed a little later than my rear ones, but the front ones are already kind of worn out compared to the back ones. So he said that he's gonna actually replace those as well. So yeah, interesting things happening. And I'm also, while I'm at it, I'm actually going to talk to them about future builds, my future projects for this truck. I am actually intending to keep the truck. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start slowly building it for overlanding and start, exploring things. So yeah, this is what we have for the time being. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of YotaMafia's behind scenes, area, if you will. This is their shop. This is their trailer. Some interesting, looking Toyotas out here. You got this old Tacoma. Here's another military contracted Tacoma that's going to be built for military use, for training or what have you purposes. Here is the once again trailer overlanding. I need to give me one of these. And here's another Tacoma with 4Runner. Guys just coming in now. I'm gonna talk to them. Mechanics just start showing up to work. So we came in a little early because we kind of live a little further away from this place, but I decided to show up a little early, making sure I'm going to be on time. But this is one of the mechanics, FJ Cruiser. As you can see, beautiful build. He's got some stuff going on in here. I always wanted to have me one of those FJs, but ended up getting a Tacoma, and recently got a 4Runner too. So maybe, who knows, maybe in the future, if everything works out, maybe I'll get me one of these FJs as well. But so far we're just gonna enjoy the side, if you will. But yeah, here we go. Some other trucks here, 4Runners. I don't know who drives these, but they normally here, so I believe these are like YotaMafia's trucks here, that they take them out to different kind of like off-roading and shows, events. But yeah, so we're gonna be going inside here shortly. I brought the whole family with me. Hey kids, what are you guys having? Nothing better than Dunkin' Donuts and some cup of coffee in the morning.
Raindrop.
Raindrop, yeah, it's drizzling a little bit. All right, so it's starting to rain. Let's go inside and let me show you guys the inside of YotaMafia office. There you go. They got some nice pearl here. You know, they got some nice shirts, t-shirts, some jackets, hoodies. They got some display items here. There's some ARB shocks, Bilsteins, Fox, Icons. We got some Max Tracks, choice of wheels, tires, everything. It's a really nice setup here, and kids always come here and enjoy watching TV while truck is being worked on. Like I said, guys, YotaMafia is a great group of guys and girls here. They do some phenomenal job. Very helpful. If you have any questions, you can always call them in, you know, and ask them whatever questions you have, and they will do their best to recommend you what you need for your particular situation, and for you know, whatever you need on your trucks. Obviously they work on mainly, as far as I know, they only work on Toyota trucks and HEVs, but then again, you guys can always reach out to them and ask them if they have anything for different brands or whatnot. But as the name states, as far as I know, it's all about Toyota, and that's what we do. As you guys know, I mean, I'm all about Toyota myself. Currently we have Highlander, 4Runner, and Tacoma, and lately I've been mainly focusing on my Tacoma build because I do really want to turn it into a overlanding rig and start, you know, exploring some things. There you go. It's a nice Tacoma model here with some rooftop tent and all that stuff, so this is really cool actually. All right, now let's go ahead and check out the truck. My Tacoma, how's it doing so far? All right, here's a warehouse slash workshop. There you have it. These are some other side projects up for government contracting. This guy's getting fitted with some 34s, maybe 33s. Let's see. 285, 75, 16. I think these are 34s. Maybe 33s. I don't know. Gotta look into the sizing, but beautiful. Yeah, so as you can see, training support team. This is for government subcontract. And there's my Tacoma. There's the other 4Runner that's being worked on. I believe they're actually installing winch with steel bumpers up front. That's beautiful. Look at that. So like I said, I mean, these guys, they do some very interesting projects and, you know, things. So here's the back of the 4Runner that these guys are working on. Look at that. This is really nice. I don't even want to know how much they're spending on this 4Runner, or, you know, all these trucks here that are being built. But there's, I can tell you right now, no expenses being spared here. That's for sure. Here go Oldman EMO shocks, ARB, some rock sliders, EMO upper control arms as well, along with shocks. Look at those beefy shocks here. I need to get me some of these for my truck. That upper control arm is really nice actually. I like it. Snorkel kit. The paint is actually matte finish here, so which is really good too for like, you know, it's being built for training support, right? So they're really gonna beat the heck out of these trucks, so they're gonna get all beat up. So what's the best way to protect the paint, or you know, basically not carrying a lot of paint? So just, you know, paint it up with matte finish and sand it basically. And here's the inside. All these controls for the lights and switches and everything. Oh, look at that back. I mean, I didn't even take a look at the back yet. Wow. The panels and everything being stripped off. So this is definitely getting built for abuse, basically. 4x4. So this is TRD off-road. It's got all the off-road goodies here. Your multi-terrain select and crawl control.
Here's what I found.
Nice. And here's the Tacoma that I was showing you guys earlier. This one is being built for the same purpose, basically. Training support. Full SAP government contractor. Let's see in the back. Oh, nice. How nice of them, including the bed extender here. It's really nice. So they got quite a few of these. So 5th gen 4Runner, 3rd gen Tacoma, another 5th gen 4Runner back there, and then 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. So this is the new one with the special paint too. So this is the FDE, flat dark earth, or like a tan, if you will, color. Same thing, matte finish. This is locked, but here's the inside. Sorry for the rain and everything, but hope you guys can see it. Look at that massive screen. Yeah, unfortunately Brilliant is not here today. I was gonna show his truck, his TRD Pro 4th gen Tacoma. His is really nice too, actually. I got to see it last time when he was in, and his Tacoma is really nice too, actually. You guys might have already seen it on Instagram or his social media posts on Facebook, Instagram, and all that stuff. So he got it already outfitted with 35s with stock suspension and everything, so which is really nice though. That was sick. And look at this guy here. Look at these tire and wheel setup here. Look at these tires and wheels. Insane. These must be like 37s. It's not 39s maybe. There's hardly any fender left. Look at it. All beefed up, long travel, everything. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in a few. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna wait on my Tacoma being worked on and get it done, and then once it's done, I'll show you guys quickly what what they have worked on and what they changed on the truck, and then we'll go about our day. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Let's check out the truck, what's been done to it. So they did end up replacing the U-joints here. So this is a new one. I was informed that this is actually the new upgraded U-joint, so these should not require any more maintenance, like just kind of one and done basically. He said these should be good to go for as long as I have these upper control arms. So there's that. They did also replace the brake lines, the front ones, as you can see, brand new, sparking. And let's get the other side too. There you go. And I was being told that truck looks good for its year and the mileage, so nothing to be worried about. So it's all good to go now. Now I just need to get alignments done. Alignment done on my front tires and wheels, basically. So that's what I'm going to be rushing to now. Try to get it to the shop before they close for today. But otherwise, it's all good to go. Yep, there you go. And let me show you guys the rear brake lines. They are still in good shape. I was being told. So, and I at least try to bring my truck at least once a year to them, just to kind of get it all checked out and make sure nothing suspicious or out of kind of ordinary is happening here. So, and they told me everything's looking good, so I'll take their word for it. But yeah, once again guys, YotaMafia, thumbs up.